Breaking out the parts of me that I don't even like. Hella tight, but we gon' push it till we reach another light. If you nice, you might get blessed to see another night. Breaking through the stupid door, shit is loose and I just might. I can see myself chilling on the beach. Oh, I can see myself with diamonds on my sleeves. Asthma attack on my emotions, gotta breathe. Had to learn from teach before I put it on to learn to speak. But with lessons I felt a curse. Stuck my hand inside the fire before it needed to burn. Not concerned, I stay ahead of them niggas and wait my turn. I ain't breaking bread with niggas who never wanted to learn. Yeah, that's half the story though. I walk with demons, hella shit that you ain't heard before. Holy water keep me drenched, you don't know me, ho. Little nigga straight jabroni, got my life to grow. What? This the path that we done walked. All this trauma got me shocked, but I'll never expose my cause. This life I'm living, I'm at my place when I was born. This the path that we done walk. All this trauma got me shocked, but I'll never expose my cause. This life I'm living, I'm at my place when I was born. Crazy as shit, but trust me, I mean. Money be the root of evil, still chasing his green. Humble dude, overwhelmed off the shit that I seen. Racing through this life, homie, now I'm picking up speed. Harakiri if I ever go against what I stand for. Tribe called Quest, little brother, this just a world tour. I've been blessed with a message, I think the world more. Won't believe it till you feel it in your heart's core. Keep my Kobe jersey on, R.I.P. to Grace. I learned a lesson from that nigga, R.I.P. to hate. No disrespect when I heal, nigga, that was fate. Early for these teachings, can't be ever late. Mama told me that I would make it here. I live again through the love, that's the shit I feared. You don't get the bigger picture, you don't see it clear. 40 ounces, how I celebrate, brother, cheers. This the path that we done walked. All this trauma got me shocked, but I'll never expose my cause. This life I'm living, I'm at my place when I was born. This the path that we done walk. All this trauma got me shocked, but I'll never expose my cause. This life I'm living, I'm at my place when I was born.